Welcome to this peaceful Sunday morning meditation. Don't worry, this is just an introduction and things will slow down and calm down very shortly. We're just going to take some time to slow down, breathe deeply and find some calmness within. So without further ado, let's go. Welcome to this quiet moment of calm on your Sunday morning. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and allow your eyes to close softly. Take a slow, deep breath through your nose and gently let it out through your mouth. Let your breathing find a natural, easy rhythm. As you settle, imagine the softness of the morning light gently touching your skin, warm and welcoming. Allow yourself to simply be here now. No rushing. No demands. Just this moment unfolding slowly. With each inhale, invite a sense of ease into your body. With each exhale, release any tension or tightness you might be holding. Picture a gentle breeze moving through the air. Light, refreshing and steady. With every breath, imagine that breeze carrying away any worries or thoughts that feel heavy. Remind yourself that it's perfectly okay to rest, to slow down, to let go of needing to have all of the answers right now. Feel your body soften deeper with each breath. Your mind quieting down like a calm pond on a peaceful morning. If your thoughts wander, gently bring your attention back to the simple flow of your breath, like waves gently touching the shore. Allow your heart to open just a little to yourself. To the day ahead. To a quiet sense of trust that all is unfolding as it should. Know that you carry within you a calm strength, steady and unwavering, ready to support you in whatever comes next. Rest in this peaceful place. Carrying this lightness and calm with you. allowing it to shape your day with ease and grace. If you're following this meditation with interest in my own interpretation of today's AA Daily Reflection, then stay tuned in and we'll head over to that part of the episode now. A Riddle That Works, the title of today's reflection, acknowledges the mystery and elusiveness of spiritual experiences. The writer shares how their own profound spiritual experience, an awakening that led to admitting their addiction, felt deeply real and transformative, yet remains difficult to fully explain or understand in rational terms. They recognise that while they cannot recount the story and the impact of that moment, the deeper why or how of it may never be fully known. This acceptance of mystery leads us to humble trust. Rather than worrying about the unexplained aspects, they choose to focus on faith in a higher power, continued engagement with the recovery steps, living the program's principles, and sharing their story with others. There's a belief that through this ongoing practice, their spirituality will deepen and unfold over time. At its core, this reflection underscores that spiritual experience in recovery is often beyond any sort of logical explanation. They are felt and lived realities that guide and sustain us. Trust the process, embrace the unknown, commit to the daily work of the steps and helping others. And this forms the pathway to a mature and enduring spirituality. It invites us to move from intellectual explanations towards patient faith and action, knowing that in time more will be revealed. In summary, the riddle of spiritual awakening works because it doesn't demand full understanding up front. It works through trust. It works through practice and living the principles each day. Thanks for joining me and keep coming back.